Let's say you're not happy with your job and you have a dream job, or at least dreams to have a better job and make more money and have a better career. This video is for you because I'm going to walk you through how to get your dream job. Now, if you follow my channel at all, you know I talk about how to hack college and earn college degrees faster. This video is about how to get the job. The entire reason I'm recording this video is because I've heard people say, I got a college degree, but I'm stuck in a dead-end job and I can't get a job, so degrees are worthless. That's not the case. It's almost always because you suck at getting jobs and not because your degree is worthless, okay? And it's okay to suck at getting jobs. You can get better at it and improve and master getting good jobs and make your career better that way. But you actually have to go through the steps and learn how to get jobs. So if you want to learn how to earn college degrees faster, just subscribe to the channel. But let's dive into how to get the dream job. Now, step one, qualify for the dream job. And I know that sounds weird or maybe even stupid, but to get a job, you have to meet the qualifications for the job, okay? So whether that's a bachelor's degree or a master's degree or trade school or technical training or whatever it is, you need to choose your dream job and then figure out what you need to qualify for the dream job and then go through the steps to qualify. If it is a college degree, you can earn the college degree in months, not years. That's what this channel is all about. But you need to get the degree if your job requires a degree, okay? Usually that's the higher level, higher paying jobs. So you have to do that. You have to qualify. Don't fall into the trap of filling out a resume and sending it out to thousands of businesses, because you're going to feel like your resume is just going into a black hole. Okay, you're going to feel like, why is nobody calling me? I've applied for thousands of jobs. That you actually have to qualify. Okay, now number two is you need to master the following skills. Okay, skill number one, writing a killer resume. Here's the thing: if your resume sucks, you're not going to get phone calls or you're not going to get emails about jobs because your resume is not good. Well, just having a degree is not enough to get your dream job. You have to be able to write good resumes and do a number of other things that we're getting into. If you have a degree or you qualify for the job and your resume is fantastic and awesome and amazing, you're going to get lots of interviews, okay? If you're sending out tons and tons of applications and you're not getting interviews, it's almost always because your resume sucks, okay? And I don't want anyone to be offended here. It's okay. Like, if my resume sucks, I want to know that it sucks so that I can fix it, right? So master writing a resume. Guess what? There are YouTube channels that show you how to write perfect resumes. Like, there are resume coaches on YouTube. Go and master that skill. Number two is getting interviews. Sometimes what happens is you get lots of people responding to your resume. Let's say they send you an email or jump on the phone with you or whatever, and you're not good at that interaction and it doesn't turn into interviews. Get good at that interaction. When someone emails you interested in you, figure out what you need to say to get the interview. If your speech is not proper, or you use lots of slang, or your spelling is bad, or things like that, like, have somebody help you reply with the emails. Have somebody help you learn how to do those things better. Now, the next thing, and this kind of goes along with it, is actually mastering your interviews, okay? Interviewing for jobs is hard. I just recently saw a YouTube video of a girl saying that she had applied for like 175 jobs and she had not gotten one job, and she was blaming that on the economy. Well, here's the thing. If companies are interviewing for jobs, they're actually looking for an employee, right? So if you don't get the job, it's not because of the economy. If they're hiring and you don't get the job, it's not because of the economy. It's because you did not do good in your interview, or you did not do good enough. Maybe you were second best, right? You have to master interviewing. If you're interviewing like crazy and you're not getting any jobs, it might be, or it likely is, because you're not good at interviewing. Guess what? There are coaches and experts all over the internet that teach you how to crush your interviews. It's a skill that needs to be learned. Now, here's the cool thing. If you master these skills, you get better jobs and your career is so much better. And the craziest part, it's not that hard to master these skills. Obviously, like getting a college degree does take time, but like learning how to write a great resume, that doesn't take very long. Like sit down for a couple days and get it right. Learning how to get interviews, learning how to master interviews, those things, it's not like they take months and years to learn. It's more like hours or days or weeks to learn. Okay, so if you refine your process, you're going to get better jobs. Now, for a bonus, if you want a really, really great career, the last thing I want to talk about is being amazing at your job. Guess what? If you're amazing at your job, you're going to get more promotions. You're going to qualify for better jobs. And it's all because you're good at what you do. So getting the job, I know people that are really, really good at getting jobs, but also really, really good at losing jobs and getting fired. If you're constantly losing jobs and getting fired, it has to do with your quality of work. Okay. You need to be a good worker. You need to be skilled. You need to refine your skills and master what you're doing and be the best around at what you're doing. Okay. No excuses. No, the economy this, or college degrees are worthless and this didn't work. Like enough pointing fingers. Like if you want your dream job, you have control over you. Okay. You don't have control over the economy. You don't have control over what type of person a company wants to hire, but you do have control over yourself and the quality of skill that you offer and the mastery of those skills to get you that job. Killer resumes, getting interviews, mastering or crushing your interviews. Okay. And if that's not working, go and walk into businesses and say, are you hiring? And try to meet people face to face. The old school way still works. Okay. So I hope this helps. And I hope that as you master these skills, you will get a better job, have more freedom, and make more money in your career. And that it will lead to happiness in your life. If you've liked the video, just like, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you in the next video.